Welcome to Know the Facts, Get the Vax, a series by Africa Check to help you evaluate COVID-19 health claims, quacks and cures. The COVID-19 vaccine saves lives. It's the best way to protect yourself, your family and your community. In this series, you'll learn more about COVID-19 and the different vaccines available, how they were developed and how they work, and how to understand and use the important healthcare information. We are all facing challenges brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. It can be overwhelming and increase stress levels. It's easy to forget that, along with all the new safety measures we take to protect our physical health, we also need to take care of our mental health. In this episode, we'll talk about managing the effects of increased stress during the pandemic. COVID-19 has made many of us feel like we don't have control over our circumstances. We spend more time in isolation or distance from others, and our daily routines have been disrupted. How you deal with these challenges can affect your well-being and the well-being of your loved ones and community. Feelings of anxiety during this time are completely normal and alert us to the fears we might have about the COVID-19 pandemic and how it affects us. This stress can cause feelings of worry, loneliness, or frustration that affects our sleep, our appetite, or even our interest. COVID-19 affects various parts of our lives, and it's important that we take time to check in with ourselves and our loved ones to ensure that we have the necessary help to overcome the challenges stress creates. Remember to disconnect. While we should all keep practicing preventative measures like social distancing, wearing masks, and washing our hands, it is also important to take some time away from the COVID-19 information cycle once in a while. Disconnect from the online world when possible. Try to find a balance between keeping informed and not becoming overwhelmed. And when searching for health-related information, find reliable source and check your facts on reputable websites or with your doctor. Also, make sure that you are getting enough rest, spend time outdoors, or doing activities that you enjoy. Reach out to your support system. It's helpful to identify the things you can and can't control. If you find yourself unusually stressed out, try to identify the cause of the stress and use the resources available to you to minimize the impact it has on your mental well-being. If you or someone you know is struggling with maintaining mental health, it might not be obvious at first. Reach out to friends and family or community and faith-based organization to ask for support. And remember that you are not alone. Share these tips with your friends and family and tune into the next episode of Know the Facts, Get the Vax, in which we'll be explaining how to identify credible sources of health information online and offline and what they say about COVID-19 and COVID-19 vaccines.